Getting some attention here, a Tennessee lawmaker proposing legislation that would allow anyone accused of murder to be reimbursed by their state if it's proven they acted in self-defense.
It's being dubbed Kyle's Law in response to the Rittenhouse trial last year. WGN's Brona Tumulty joins us now from our newsroom with more details. Brona?
Good evening, guys. This legislation would allow accused murderers to recoup things like lost wages and attorney's fees, with the lawmaker who proposed it saying he's trying to make things fair for all.
Kyle's Law was, the motivation was, I think we all saw what happened. He was attacked and was defending himself, and the jury found that.
That's Bruce Griffey, a Republican state representative in Tennessee, who is proposing legislation dubbed Kyle's Law.
I think it was clear evidence in the video that it was a justifiable self-defense situation. He was still prosecuted for a murder charge, homicide. Can't think of anything worse in a person's life to have to be in that position.
He's talking about Kyle Rittenhouse, whom the bill is named after. The Illinois teenager was, of course, found not guilty on all charges after he was accused of killing 2 people and wounding a 3rd during a 2020 protest in Kenosha, Wisconsin.
We, the jury, find the defendant, Kyle H. Rittenhouse, not guilty.
If passed, Kyle's Law would allow accused killers to be reimbursed by the state if proven they acted in self-defense and were then acquitted.
They have to go through, hire a lawyer, hire experts, lose wages, cost to them. That's not a fair system if they go through this and they're just left with nothing because they've been damaged.
Griffey, during an interview with our sister station in Tennessee, says he's just trying to balance the scales of justice.
There's a specific provisions that the judge would have to walk through and make determinations upon before there would be a finding and an award of damages to the individual.
Now, we reached out to Merrick Richards, who defended Kyle Rittenhouse in court. He told us over the phone today he agrees with the proposal, adding if this became law, it would make states think twice about going after someone. The bill itself is expected to go before a criminal subcommittee in Tennessee in the coming weeks, and we'll also hear in the next hour from another attorney here who says something like this will never come to pass in Illinois. We're live in the newsroom. Brona Tumulty, WGN News.